In this lecture, I'm going to teach you how to play basic B arpeggios, which is going to be B major and B minor. So we already passed C, G, D, A, E, and now we're on B. You already know that we play 4 notes for the arpeggio, not 3. So 4. So if you play B major, the chord, you already played B major in the chord section, so you should be already familiar and comfortable with it. Now we're just going to make it wider, and we're going to play we're going to play 1 note at a time. So it's going to be B, D sharp, F sharp, and B again. 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. And we end it with 1, 2, 3, and 5. And we're going to go down. 5, 3, 2, 1. 5, 3, 2, 1. It's 5, 4, 2, 1, 5, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to move on to the left hand. Left hand, you can play the same notes, which is going to be 5th finger on B, 3rd finger on D sharp, 2nd finger on F sharp, and B. So you go up, and then we're going to go to the second variation, where it's going to be 5th finger on D sharp, 4th finger on F sharp, 2nd finger on B, and then the 1st finger on D sharp. So that's the second variation. Third variation is going to be 5th finger on F sharp, 3rd finger on B, 2nd finger on D sharp, and 1st finger on F sharp. Just like that. And then we're going to end it with the normal B, D sharp, F sharp, B. And we're going to go down as 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. So now practice left hand until you're comfortable going up and down. Make sure your hand is also relaxed. Make sure it's not tense. Really important. And the fingers, you're playing on the tips. See how I'm playing right here? You don't have to play it with the nails like this, so it makes nail noise. Just play it on the tips. Just make sure your form is good. That's most important. The better your form, the better you're going to play. So you go up and you go down. I might be playing too fast right now, but you could pause the video and you could practice it until you could play at that pace comfortably, because I already know it comfortably and confidently. Alright, now we're going to play with 2 hands at the same time. So 5th finger, 1st finger on the tonic, which is B. And then we're going to go to D sharp, F sharp, B, D sharp, F sharp, B. Now this is the 4th finger. D sharp, F sharp, B, D sharp, F sharp, and B, D sharp, F sharp, B. Now we're going to go down. B, F sharp, D sharp, B, F sharp, D sharp, B, F sharp, D sharp, B, F sharp, D, and then B, F sharp, D sharp, B. So, practice with 2 hands until you feel comfortable. Until your fingers are really confident and they know what to press, and you could actually start playing faster without any mistakes. So practice 2 octaves, or 1 octave, actually. Then you're going to go and play all the way left to right, 3 or 4 octaves. Okay, for the minor, it's just like the B major. The 3rd tonic goes down to a D, not a D sharp, but to a D, and that is the minor arpeggio. So you're going to play it, let's do 2 hands right away. So we're going to play it 1 by 1. So it goes B, D, F sharp, and B. Then we're going to go D, F sharp, B, D, F sharp, B, D, F sharp, and then B, D, F sharp, B. And we go down. B, F sharp, D, B, F sharp, D, B, F sharp, D, B, F sharp, B, D, sorry, B, F sharp, D, and B. Now, play it 1 octave until you feel comfortable. The fingerings are what comfortable for you. There's one that I do 4th finger, so you could actually play it better. Like right here, 4th finger for right hand. And we go down. Okay. Now once you can play it 1 octave comfortably, now we're going to go straight for 4 octaves right away. So with 2 hands, you go skipping 25 times. Good. You skip for 25 times, and then you go straight all the way up and down for the next 25 times. Okay, so that's the major arpeggio, B major arpeggio, and B minor arpeggio. Thank you for watching. Let's go to the next video.